A little bird told me. This is used to indicate that the speaker has received information from an anonymous or secret source. The idiom implies discretion, with the little bird being a metaphorical messenger. This phrase may trace back to the Bible, specifically Ecclesiastes 10-20. For a bird of the air shall carry the voice, and that which hath wings shall tell the matter. It later evolved into its modern usage, popularized in English literature and conversation in the 18th and 19th centuries. For example, a little bird told me that you're planning a surprise party for Sarah. Or, how did you know I got the job? Let's just say, a little bird told me.